Welcome, Standard 11 Science, subject Mathematics and Statistics, lesson Probability. Exercise 9.1, question number 5. A bag contains 4 cards marked as 5, 6, 7 and 8. Bag contain 4 cards marked as 5, 6, 7 and 8. Find the sample space if two cards are drawn at random. Two cards are drawn at random. First case with replacement and second for without replacement. Solution here. The bag contains 4 cards marked as a number 5, 6, 7 and 8. To draw 2 cards with condition, first is with replacement and second without replacement. First condition is taken here, 2 cards are drawn with replacement. That is, first card is drawn, then again it replaced in the bag, and then you will draw second card. Then sample space outcomes are getting 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8. Then for next 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 8. Then next card is drawn 7, 5, then 7, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8. And 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8. These are the outcomes when card is replaced in a bag and again taken. That is, replacement is allowed. And for second case, without replacement means once card is selected, you have to keep outside as it is. So outcomes for the sample space will be 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8. Then 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8. Next 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 8 and 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7 without replacement of card. Question next. Taken question 11 directly here. Small example. What is the chance that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays? Solution. Leap year consists of 366 days. 366 days, that is 52 complete weeks and 2 more days. And these 2 more days can be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, otherwise Saturday, Sunday. This is a sample space for that remaining 2 days. To find out probability that the day is getting a Sunday. Sunday is getting, that is, there are only 2 chances. Maybe that 2 days are Sunday, Monday, otherwise that 2 days are Saturday, Sunday, which gives 53 Sundays in that leap year. So event A here, as there are 53 Sundays. So outcomes are only 2. First is Sunday, Monday, and next is Saturday, Sunday. Number of elements in set A are 2. Therefore, probability, that is the number of chances. Formula, probability for A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. That is equal to 2 divided by 7. Problem number 6. A fair die is thrown 2 times. Find the probability that first case, sum of the numbers on them is 5. Second case, sum of the numbers on them is at least 8. Third, product of numbers on them is 12. And last sub question here, first row gives a multiple of 2 and second row gives a multiple of 3. Solution for problem. Two fair dice are thrown. Outcomes of the sample space in pairs 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6 up to the 6 6. That is total number of outcomes are here 36. So n of s is equal to 36. First event given as sum of numbers on them is 5. So event A, sum of numbers on that two dice is 5. Outcomes for sum of number is 5, that is 1 4 2 3 3 2 and 4 1. These are the four underlying outcomes for this event A. Hence n of A is equal to 4. Number of elements in 4. After that, writing formula for probability for event A, that is equal to n of A divided by n of S. Substitute value here, we get 4 divided by 36. Event B, sum of numbers on them is at least 8. That is, sum of the number is maybe 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12. Outcomes will be here. Sum is 8. Check, this is a cross line. That from this line, right hand side, all the outcomes, their sum is getting here more than 8. Event B, total number of outcomes are here 15. N of B is equal to 15. Therefore, probability for event B is equal to N of B upon N of S. That is equal to 15 divided by 36. Next, sub-question, product of numbers on them is 12. Let us consider as event C. Product of numbers on them is 12. Outcomes with product is 12. Pairs are getting as 3 4, 4 3, 2 6 and 6 2. These pairs having product is 12. Outcomes of event C as 2 6, 3 4, 4 3 and 6 2. Total 4 outcomes are here. N of C is equal to 4. Therefore, probability of C is equal to N of C divided by N of S, that is equal to 4 divided by 36. Event C complete. Fourth given sub-question, first row gives multiple of 2 and second row gives multiple of 3. Event D considered here. Check, first number is multiple of 2, that is second row, fourth row and sixth row. But condition is here one more, that is second row is multiple of 3. Second row is multiple of 3, that is third column and sixth column. Check intersection points, that is pair 2 3, next pair here 2 6, next 4 3, 4 6, 6 3 and 6 6. Only these 6 outcomes satisfy both the condition that first number is multiple of 2 and second number is multiple of 3. Outcomes of event D are, check here, 2 3, 2 6, next 4 3, 4 6, 6 3, 6 6. That is total here 6 outcomes for event D. N of D is 6. Probability for D will be 6 divided by 36. Question 7 here. 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that, first case, one is a face card and other is an ace card. Second sub problem, one is club and the other is a diamond. Third, both are from the same suit. Fourth sub question, both are red cards. Fifth, one is hard card and the other is non-hard card. Let us see solution for this problem. For sample space, 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Number of ways are 52C2. Concept of combination. Out of 52 cards, 2 cards are to be selected. Number of ways 52C2. Therefore, N of S is equal to 52C2. First case, that is event A. Out of 2 cards drawn, one is a face card and other is an ace cards. But we already know number of face cards are 12 and 4 ace cards in a pack of 52 cards. Out of 12 face cards, one face card can be drawn in 12C1 ways. And out of 4 ace cards, one card can be drawn in 4C1 ways. Therefore, number of elements in event A are 12C1 into 4C1. After this, probability for event A, formula N of A divided by N of S, that is equal to N of A value 12C1 into 4C1 divided by N of S, sample space outcomes 52C2. Next, second case is one is club and other is diamond. Hence, event B expressed as out of 2 cards drawn, one is a club and other is diamond. But we already know that number of total club cards are 13. Number of diamond cards are also 13. Check here. There are 13 club cards and 13 diamond cards in a pack of 52 cards. Out of these 13 club cards, one card can be drawn in 13C1 ways. And out of 13 diamond card, one diamond can be drawn in 13C1 ways. Hence, number of elements in event B, it becomes 13C1 multiplied 13C1. Hence, finally, probability for event B, formula N of B upon N of S. Substitute value here, N of B 13C1 multiplied 13C1 divided by N of S is 52C2. Third event is both are from the same suit, that is event C. Total number of cards in a suit are 13. So a pack of 52 cards consists of 4 suits, each suit containing 13 cards. 2 cards can be drawn in 13C2 ways. From 4 suits, each suit's number of chances are 13C2. Therefore, total number of selections are N of C is equal to 4 times of 13C2. Therefore, formula for probability of event C, N of C divided by N of S. Substitute value 4 times 13C2 divided by 52C2. Next, event as a D, that both are red cards. We know there are total 26 red cards, and out of that 26 red cards from a pack, we are selecting 2 red cards. Number of ways will be 26C2. Hence, N of D is equal to 26C2. Therefore, probability of event D is N of D upon N of S. N of D is 26C2 divided by N of S 52C2. Last, event E for the fifth sub question, that first card drawn is a hard card and second is non-hard card. There are total 13 hard cards and 39 remaining. They are the non-hard cards in a pack of 52 cards. From 13 hard cards, one card can be drawn in 13C1 ways. And from 39 non-hard cards, one can be drawn in 39C1 ways. Hence, number of elements in this event E is equal to 13C1 multiplied 39C1. Therefore, probability of event E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. Substitute both values. N of E, that is 13C1 into 39C1, divided by N of S 52C2, required probability.